Alright, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Kobocourse creator account properly so that you look legit on Kobocourse.com. You want to go over to your settings under your account settings right here. This is a very important aspect of your account setup because it helps your profile look good. Now, you want to make sure that you have a profile image set up. You want to make sure that you have your email, your name, how you want to be addressed. Just tell us a little bit about yourself and what it is that you do. Select your country and your default currency. You want to make sure that you're selecting the right currency for your account because you cannot change this once your bank account is selected. Next, we're going to go over to your branding, and this branding is what your logo looks like, what your banner looks like, and things like that. All of this are going to be shown on your Kobocourse creator profile. I'm just going to select a picture for my logo, which will be my picture as well. And I have this little banner right here, which I could change later, or I should just change right now. And I'm going to select that banner. I'm just going to click into my downloads, for example, and see if I have an image that I want to use. Let's see, I really love this one. I'm going to select this as my banner. I love this. It looks very creator, looks very aesthetic pleasing. It looks nice. I'm going to have that as my banner. My username is Wi-Fi Money Woman. My account name is Course Creator Society. And then a brief summary of yourself. I'm just going to have a description right here. Of course, you want to make sure that you can come back here to edit as you please, and you can have a very long description because it's going to show on your profile. I'm going to save this just for now. I can come back to change it later. Your contact info. How can people contact you? Your email address. And then your phone number, your URL, your website, whatever website it is that you are promoting on Kobocourse.com, your Facebook. If you have all of these details, you can enter that in there. I just want to use my Instagram. And then I want to enable a contact form on my page. I'm going to click on save. Next, we're going to verify my identity, which is already verified, but ideally you're going to have a click on right here, a button right here to upload your ID card so that you can have a verified profile on Kobocourse. I'm going to show you what that looks like. I have already subscribed on Kobocourse. You're going to set up your bank details right here. And then that is all. You're going to set how you want to receive emails from Kobocourse, and that is all set up. I'm going to click here and refresh my profile page so that you can see what that looks like. And now you see my profile is verified. I have this beautiful background banner right here that just makes my profile look nice. If I had a longer description, it will be all here, but I want to encourage you to write a good enough description that is not too long, because right underneath of that, people can see all of the courses that you have on Kobocourse. Now you have Course Creator Society on Kobocourse, which is my brand. And it's like my dedicated dashboard on Kobocourse. From this dedicated dashboard, I have my username, kobocourse.com/Wi-Fi Money Woman. And I can just simply copy this URL and use it on my Twitter, on my Instagram, link in bio. Because from this URL, I have everything. You know, people can see my products, people can read the reviews on my products, and people can contact me because I've left a contact information right there. And if it's not, then there will be no contact information. If you wanted to add a contact information, you just want to go in there and add a contact info for how people can find you, and then that will be uploaded to kobocourse.com. I hope that this was helpful. I will see you in the next one. Make sure that you go into kobocourse.com right now to edit your dashboard, your creator profile, so that you can have a very beautiful creator profile that looks like that.